If you or someone in your family is drinking Glucerna for diabetes, you need to watch this video till the end, because what you think is a healthy drink might actually be harming your blood sugar levels. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood. Every day I see diabetic patients in my clinic, and a large number of them are using one common product, Glucerna. They usually tell me, Doctor, we have reduced roti, we have stopped sugar, we only take Glucerna for energy. But the real question is Glucerna really safe? Let's look at the ingredients. Glucerna contains maltodextrin, corn syrup derivatives, artificial sweeteners like sucralose and acesulfame potassium. Now here's something most people don't know. Maltodextrin can have a higher glycemic impact than regular sugar. So even if it says sugar free, your insulin can still spike. This is like someone telling you this candy does not have even a drop of sugar, while in reality it has a ton of sugar in it. It's just modified sugar. The name has changed, the effect hasn't. If this is making you rethink what you are consuming, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because we regularly share truths that the health industry doesn't talk about. Now you might say, but Dr. Asma, I feel more energetic after taking Glucerna. And that's true, because it contains carbohydrates. But here's the problem. It gives short-term energy, but it can worsen insulin resistance over time. The real problem in diabetes is not just high sugar, it's insulin resistance. And when you keep consuming processed carbohydrates, even in the form of diabetic drinks, you are not healing your body, you are just managing your symptoms. So what should you take instead? For energy, here's what I recommend to my patients. A simple drink. In a glass of milk or water, add a tablespoon of coconut oil or desi ghee, a pinch of cinnamon and some chia seeds. This provides stable energy without blood sugar spikes. Another option is bone broth or eggs and vegetables. This gives your body real nutrition, not just glucose. In our clinic, we also use natural blends that help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce cravings, and support steady energy levels. Remember, just because something is labeled as diabetic friendly or sugar free, it does not mean it is health friendly also. Don't confuse your body. Heal it. Now let's talk about something very important, the artificial sweeteners used in products like Glucerna. Many people think that because these drinks are sugar free, they are completely safe. But recent research tells a different story. Studies have shown that artificial sweeteners like sucralose and acesulfame potassium can actually affect your gut bacteria, what we call the microbiome. And your gut is not just about digestion. It plays a major role in controlling insulin sensitivity and blood sugar levels. Some research has also shown that sucralose may reduce insulin sensitivity and can even increase insulin response in certain individuals. So even though these sweeteners don't contain sugar, they are not metabolically neutral. They can still interfere with how your blood handles glucose. Now, to be fair, regulatory authorities still consider these sweeteners to be safe within recommended limits. But as a doctor, we look beyond safe. We look at what helps the body heal, and emerging evidence suggests that long-term use of artificial sweeteners may not support optimal metabolic health, especially in people with diabetes. Because every individual has a different threshold for different poisons, medicine should be customized, not generalized. Finally, I would say this is very important information, especially for diabetics and especially for diabetics who are drinking Glucerna and their sugar is out of control. So share this with everyone who takes Glucerna in your family. And if you want a customized diet plan with real food in it, do give us a call and give a number. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.